Alright, good people. Remember, good for steppers, we over deliver. Remember, we're not just teaching you how to follow or lead, we're teaching you how to lead and follow. A little trick in, which means that if you're a female, you're going to learn how to lead. If you're a male, you got to learn how to follow. The same rule goes for everybody. I don't care who's who. Everybody should know how to lead and follow. Everybody, not somebody, everybody. Everybody should want that. It's a beautiful dance. But now, it's time for the basic 4 steps in leading. We've already given you the package. The earlier package, the ball method, get ass. Earlier package, you got the follow steps. Now it's time for the lead steps. You put those 2 together and you on the dance floor. It's a beautiful thing. But now, let's go first. Remember, lead moves are basically on 1 and 4. You remember when you were doing the follow move, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're leading, I'm giving you the basics. Remember, what we do is we deliver the basics, nothing else. Your flavor comes from you. We just give you the basic steps so you can put all that butter in that little meat and a little hot day and all that extra. Put it in there, but you gotta know how to put it in there and when to put it in there. So now, let's get back to the lead moves. There are 4 basics. It's like a cross. You're going up, you're going sideways, you're going back, and you're going over. Like a cross. Up, this way, and back. Okay? Everything's on the 1 and 4. Remember the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you lead, you want to go on the 1, on the 4, and the 7. So that means you're going to slide on 1. You're going to slide back on 4. You're missing the other counts on purpose because you sliding to the beat. Yeah, sliding to the beat. Now let's go. All right. We're going to go this way first, to the right. To the right, okay? So we're going on 1. Always start on 1. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your rest time. That's your jiggle, wiggle. You can do a little side step. And the basics, I just teach a little side step. Little cool move, little temptations in there. So we're going again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these steps can be going. You can go real cool with your 1 and your 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take long steps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you notice, I'm getting right back here. That's the most important thing about lead. You got to get back where you started. You can't start over here and be all in yourself, and then next thing you know, you're over here. So she's like, oh my goodness, now he's leading me over here, and over here, and over here. You got to start when you finish. Remember that. So everything you do, you're doing in front of her or on her side, on her pocket, as Coach Wesley might say. So now, that was to the right.